Hey, I sound really like nasally. Happy Saturday. In my last video, I showed you what I was packing for this weekend because we are going down to Bingin, or like Uluwatu area, and we're staying for just one night. The Airbnb that I booked is literally like on the beach, so I'm so excited to wake up tomorrow morning and just like listening to the waves. The weather today is incredible.
Chef's kiss is what it is.
Chef's kiss. Not a cloud in the sky, so I'm so excited. Got my sunscreen, so we're gonna tan. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't gonna be doing a little bit of tanning, but we're gonna be doing it responsibly. Instead of gamble responsibly, it's tan responsibly. So we're all packed, ready to go. Are we gonna go get a coffee first, and then it's about an hour's drive to our accommodation, and we technically can't check in until this afternoon, so they said we could drop our bags off. That way we can literally just go explore, go for a swim. I'm just so excited because I've been wanting to go down to Uluwatu since being here, so I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun. We have just checked into our accommodation and it is so bright in here. I feel like I need to wear sunnies inside. Maybe not, I won't. We just checked in and I'm speechless. This view is just insane. From the photos when I booked it, it obviously said like it was on the beach, but I still thought it was like a bit of a walk down to the beach. Also, to get down here, there was like a solid 100 stairs. So when I booked this place, we planned to like go out and do stuff and go to like beach clubs. But now that we're like down here, we probably will not be leaving. I can't stop looking at the view. It is insane. I think we're gonna go for another swim now and just go chill out for the rest of the afternoon. Hey.
There's like no water. The water's gone like completely out. Nuts. There's not even waves. There's heaps of waves before.
That is insane. I feel like I'm in Greece at the moment.
Oh yeah, Santorini.
It's like, no, Positano. Where it's got like all of the buildings behind, and we're just like chilling in like crystal clear water.
It's nice, eh?
It's a vibe. Good morning.
Oops.
How do we feel about the necklace? I'm still getting used to it. It is so chunky. I'm feeling so tired this morning, and I don't know if it's because I overslept or being in the sun all day yesterday. We woke up this morning and it was actually so nice having the waves like at our back door, and it was so cool just listening to the waves like through the night as well. Unfortunately, we check out at 11 today, so at least we've still got the morning. We're gonna go get a coffee. I want to go for a swim, but it's a bit rough this morning, so we'll see. I'm rocking the island vibes and I'm not mad about it. I even got some fake Prada. I don't know, they're so cute. They're like the people that like work down on the beach and like sell you stuff. Like they'll come and they'll like talk to you, and it's like $10. Like it was nothing. So anyway, treated myself to a necklace and some sunnies. But yeah, it's actually been, I thought I saw a turtle. Random. Anyway, this place, actually, what is this place called? Where we're staying, it's called the Sun and Surf Stay. So it's like little beachy shack vibes. It's so cool. So if if you're coming to Bingham, highly recommend. It was quite affordable as well. For the one night it was only 150 Australian dollars, so you really can't complain. Let's go get a coffee. I really hope they do good coffee because I need a coffee this morning. So we just checked out of our villa, but
Long way to go.
yeah, I know. But look, ready? This is now how we get back up to the main road. We have like 100 stairs, and we almost were gonna bring a suitcase, and we didn't. So I'm very, very happy. Look at the view.
Oh, how good is it?
You're ruining the view. Oh my god, I'm sweating. We made it to the top of the stairs.
Barely.
And now we're just waiting for our car to take us back home. I just thought this was a good time to end the video. Our little staycation was not long enough. It never is. I don't know why we always do one night. It goes so quickly. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I love this area so much. We will definitely be back.
Back to see the monkeys.
Yeah, we even got to see monkeys this morning, so that was fun. I'm a bit sweaty, mate.
Oh, don't be ridiculous. So she put my jumper on.
Jumper. I will see you in my next video.